Disney just changed 5 rides, and most guests have absolutely no idea. Some of these happened overnight, no announcement, and no warning. I'm MJ, and this is Inside the Castle Guide. Let me show you exactly what changed before your next trip. Let's start with number 5, and this one hits different. Splash Mountain is gone. Forever. Disney didn't just update it, they rebuilt the entire thing. Tiana's Bayou Adventure officially opened in 2024, and it is gorgeous. New story, new characters, new animatronics.
Welcome, y'all. Let's meet up with Lewis and find some musicians for our party. Look out, Bayou, here we come.
But here's what they don't tell you. The drop is still there. You're still gonna scream. You're just gonna do it in the Bayou now, with Tiana herself on her way to opening her restaurant. And if you haven't ridden it yet, do not wait any longer. The best time to ride is within first 30 minutes of the park opening. It has the shortest queue, clearest audio, and the best experience. Trust me on this one. But here's the crazy part about number 4. Disney made this change and never said a word about it. No press release, no announcement. They just did it. If you rode Frozen Ever After about 2 years ago and you ride it today, you're going to notice something. Disney quietly replaced the animatronics. Elsa's face tracking is now significantly better. She doesn't just stand there, she looks at you. She follows you through the scene.
Beautiful. See you there.
Smoother, more expressive, way more magical. This is what Disney does behind the scenes that make most guests walk right past it. And now you won't. Number 3, and this one is for Tomorrowland fans. Attention Space Rangers. Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin has reopened. It has the same mission. You spin, aim, rack up your score. But Disney upgraded this experience with new theming elements. Here's what most guests don't know. They walk past thinking it's the same old ride, but it's not. Completely refreshed. And right now, the lines are shorter than they're going to be. That window closes fast, so get in there, Star Command. And before we get to number 2, which involves a character you're definitely going to recognize, make sure you hit subscribe. I drop Disney Insider tips every single week, and you do not want to miss what's coming. All right, number 2, and this one caught the entire Disney community off guard. Bluey is coming in Walt Disney World. Yes, that Bluey. Bluey and Bingo. Disney is bringing a brand new experience to Rafiki's Planet Watch at Animal Kingdom. Character meets, interactive games, and an Australian-inspired space. Here's what makes this special. It's not a thrill ride. It's an experience. It's perfect for families with little ones. But here's the crazy part. To get there, you have to take the Wildlife Express train, which means most guests never even make it to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Now you have a reason to go, and most people won't even know it's there. And number 1, this is the big one. Rock and Roller Coaster is gone. Disney closed it on March 1st, and it is not coming back the same. It's coming back as Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets, and it opens May 26th. That's not that far away. Here's what they don't tell you. The ride itself has the same speed, same launch, same inversions, but everything is completely new. You're now on the VIP tour of the G-Force Records, the legendary Hollywood studios now run by the Muppets. Dr. Teeth, Animal, Floyd, the whole Electric Mayhem crew. And they are late to their own concert. And here's the insider warning. First week waits on a rethemed Disney coaster are brutal. We're talking 2, 3, 4 hours. Or wait 2 weeks for the crowds to thin and ride it like a local. Either way, now you know what's coming. 5 rides, 5 changes, and most Disney guests won't know about half of these until they're already standing in the park. If this helped you plan your trip, hit that subscribe button right now, and I'll see you inside the castle.